I want to explain the difference to people about there's kind of three entities or four entities that you can use when you're looking for a mortgage. One is the big banks, two, credit unions, three, a mortgage banker, and four, a mortgage broker. So I'll explain kind of the differences and maybe the misconceptions of some of these things. Credit union, a great place to go if you're a member of the credit union. That's basically that. The big banks, great place to go nationally, or for some specifics, or if you were referred to them, or you might even think, I'm currently with them, I'll give them a call and check and see what they can do. A mortgage banker, mainly they're a kind of a hybrid of a mortgage broker, and then I'll explain that here in a second. And a mortgage broker, and that's what I do, and I've been doing this for 25 years. Mainly what we do is we are a consultant on your behalf. We don't work for any particular bank. You come to us and kind of give us I always say when I'm talking to people, I need pieces of the puzzle and try to put the complete puzzle together and then go out in the market and find you the best program for your situation. The benefits of another benefit of the broker is I have, and I've been reading this, a lot of brokers or a lot of posts say, oh, we're a mortgage broker, we're affiliated with 50 or 60 or 70 different banks or lenders or whatever. That's great. But mainly we use, honestly, we're probably affiliated with about 15 or so. We use about 5 or 6. And that usually fulfills the needs that we have. My one analogy I have is when you're going Christmas shopping, it's probably a lot easier to go to a mall versus going around and shopping. You want a pair of jeans. So you go to the shopping mall and you can actually compare a few different stores fairly quickly because they're in the same complex. Versus you getting in your car and you going to this location and then getting back in your car and going into this location and so forth. It's costly because of that. So now getting back to, so that's what I do. I'm a consultant for you. I do not work for the banks. The banks pay me a commission just as well as they would pay an employee that would work on your behalf on your loan internally. A mortgage banker, they do the same thing as me, but they have a warehouse line with many of the places that they're funding their loans through. So they use that warehouse line to fund that loan. Many of them also have another writer on staff. Is that a big deal or not? I don't really particularly think so. It costs more money to have all of those pieces put together. The banks, they are what they are. So the main thing what you need to is you need cost compare. Don't think, it's more expensive to use me. You don't pay me a fee. The banks I charge you a fee, they credit you that amount to compensate me for that. Again, because they're going to pay me or they're going to pay an inside person to do your loan. So what I highly suggest you do is anybody you call or get a quote from, they have to issue you by law. Say that every credit